If I can't be friends after all these years, if I can't be friends with you, if I can't be free from empty talk, how can I be friends with you? If I can't laugh and cry with you, if I can't tell you my secrets, if I can't sleep, if I can't trust you, if I can't trust you, how can I be your friend? You have accumulated pain and suffering inside you, and you are asking for someone, and I am praising you. If you are busy and sick, and you are not staying in a place of happiness, then how can I be your friend? One day you will starve of love, the next day you will poison love. You will run away from everyone and vomit, but how can I be your friend? You moan when the sun shines, when your friends laugh and spread happiness, when someone in the cold is separated from the fire. How can you be friends if you are happy?